Question number 7. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. PC is 1 by 3 times BC. AB is 6 centimeter. To find AP. Now the construction I have already done in the figure. Construction is draw segment AM perpendicular to segment BC. Point B, point M and point C are collinear point. ABC is an equilateral triangle, so that means AB, all the three sides are equal. But AB is 6 centimeter, so that means BC and AC both are 6 centimeter. Now it is given that PC is 1 by 3 times BC. Substitute the value of BC. Now consider triangle AMC. Sum of the three angles of this triangle is 180 degree. Substitute the value. Angle C is 60 degree because C is a angle of an equilateral triangle and angle of all the angles of an equilateral triangle is 60 degree. $90 degree plus 60 degree is 150 and 180 degree minus 150 degree, 30 degree. So that means triangle AMC is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree triangle. And therefore we can use theorem of 30, 60, 90 triangle. The side opposite to 60 degree, that is AM, is √3 by 2 times the hypotenuse. That is √3 by 2 times 6. 3√3. Similarly, the side opposite to 30, MC, is half of the hypotenuse. Since by theorem of '90 triangle. Now from the figure we can say that MC is MP plus PC. Point M, P and C are collinear point. Substitute the value. MC is 3 centimeter. MP to find PC. PC is 1 by 3 times BC. So we got the answer as 2. And therefore MP is 3 minus 2. That is 1. Or you can interchange the left hand side and right hand side. And then take to the others 2 to the other side. MP is equal to 3 minus 2, that is 1 centimeter. Now consider the right angle triangle AMP. Angle AMP is 90 degree. So that means we can use Pythagoras theorem. Now in triangle AMP, hypotenuse is AP. AP square is AM square plus MP square. Substitute the value. AM 3 root 3. MP 1 centimeter. Law of indices, AB the whole raised to m is A raised to m into B raised to m. 3 square is 9 into root 3 square is 3 plus 1. 27 plus 1. Order of precedence. First you multiply and then add. 28. But 28 is 4 into 7. AP is under root of 4 into 7. Root of 4 is 2. So therefore AP is equal to 2 root 2 centimeter. Question number 11. In triangle ABC, angle BAC is 90 degree. Segment BL and segment CM are the medians of segment BA and segment CA. So that means M is a midpoint of segment BA and L is a midpoint of segment CA. To prove 4 times BL square plus CM square is 5 times BC square. So let us start. Proof. Now if you see the result, in the result BL square, we need BL square and BL is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle BAL. So by applying Pythagoras theorem, we get BL square is equal to BA square plus AL square. In triangle BAL, angle BAL is equal to 90 degree. And therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BL square is equal to BA square plus AL square. Similarly, we need CM and CM is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle CAM. So by applying Pythagoras theorem to the right angle triangle CAM, we get and we need BL square plus CM square. So add expression 1 and 2. Put it as equation 3. Now here on the right hand side of the result that we have to prove, we have only one term, that is BC square. But here we are getting 4 terms, BA square plus AL square plus CA square plus AM square. But BC square or BC is the hypotenuse of the right angle triangle BAC. So by Pythagoras theorem, we get BC square is equal to BA square plus AC square. So if we get BA square plus AC square on the right hand side of expression 3, and we by Pythagoras theorem we can say that BA square plus AC square is equal to BC square. Now if you see expression 3, we already have BA square and AC square. But we don't need this term AL square and AM square. But if you see in the figure, AL is half of AC and AM is half of BA. The reason is our midpoint, L and M are midpoints of segment AC and segment BA or AB. Now substitute expression 4 in expression 3. I am doing this because I need BC square on the right hand side, and if I get BA square and AC square, then by Pythagoras theorem BA square plus AC square is BC square. So I have already have BA square and AC square on the right hand side. I don't need the term AL and AL square and AM square. But AL is half of AC because L is a midpoint, and AM is half of AB because M is a midpoint. So substituting we get BL square plus CM square is equal to BA square. There is no need to change. AC square I am taking on this side, and CA square I am writing as AC square. AL is half of AC and AM is half of BA. Simplifying, law of indices, 1 by 4 AC square plus 1 by 4 BA square. So now what I do, I'll multiply all the terms by 4. Four times BL square plus 4 times CM square is equal to 4 times BA square plus 4 times AC square plus AC square plus BA square. 4 times BL square, 4 times BA square, 4 times AC square. Here 4 will get cancelled out, so AC square plus BA square. Now pair up the like terms. 4 BA square plus BA square is 5 times BA square. 4 AC square plus AC square is 5 times AC square. So therefore, your 4 is common in both the terms. Here also 5 is common. Now if you take, this is equation 5. Now take triangle BAC. In triangle BAC, angle BAC is 90 degrees. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, BC square is equal to BA square plus AC square. Now from 5th and 6th we get, so in place of BA square plus AC square, substitute BC square. From 5 and 6. So substitute 6 in 5. 4 time BL square plus CM square is equal to 5 time, in place of BA square plus AC square is, we substitute BC square. So this is what we need.